What's up, everybody? Ben here. Today we are working on, we're doing several things to my son's 2020 Chevrolet Camaro 2 SS. We're doing an exhaust and header and all kinds of other things as well, but I wanted to do a standalone video over this little, it's kind of a weak spot for Camaros, and that is this plastic thermostat housing that that's on all the 6th Gen Camaros. I think it's on all of them. I'm not 100% sure, but obviously it's on the SS model with the LT1. So my friends here in Lubbock, Texas, my hometown, at Lone Star Horsepower, have this billet thermostat housing from DMS, and it actually has a little adapter, little converter in here that allows you to use an LS3 style thermostat. So it's a much more commonly available part, and you'll notice it kind of gives it a double O-ring seal. So anyways, nice little piece. Should be a quick and easy install, but you know, that's the famous last words. Hopefully we don't strip a bolt. We're going to start with just these 3 10 millimeters and a couple of hose clamps. I think there's going to be fluid in there that we're going to lose, so I'm going to go ahead and put a bucket underneath the car and raise it up a little bit. Okay, just like that. This DMS billet thermostat housing comes with its own hardware, so this is a nice stainless, these are Allen head, I think it's number 5. I did not see a torque value. I just kind of gave it an ugga-dugga, and I'll check them after a few miles. Lost a little bit of coolant, but I will, so I got a bucket down there. I'll see how much I lost. And then not all, you know, some of it ran down the skid plates and stuff. So we'll get that cleaned up, and I'll top it off before we run it much. And so it's a noticeable improvement over this plastic factory one. I mean, it's plastic. I don't know what else to say about it. And I guess it's, so this particular one I got is a lower temperature, so 160 degrees instead of, factory's probably 190, maybe 195, something like that. Those are just 10 millimeters, and then these are, yep, number 5, metric. That's it. We should have some cooler temperatures. Plus, we're going to get it tuned anyways. We're doing an exhaust install, so once we get it tuned, it'll run cooler anyways. But that'll be a nice improvement. Good product, fits perfect, no problems. Goes on in about 10 minutes. Thanks for watching.